Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to discuss about preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word that indicates the relationship between a noun or pronoun and the other words of a sentence. For example, in, on, at, among, into. There are 5 types of prepositions: simple preposition, double preposition, compound preposition, participle preposition, phrase preposition. First one, simple preposition. Simple prepositions are short words that we usually use before a noun or pronoun to indicate the relation of the noun to a verb, an adjective, or another noun. The top 10 most common prepositions in English language are of, with, at, from, into, during, including, until, against. These represent the most frequently used prepositions. They are also called simple prepositions. Preposition of direction. If you ask where, this type of preposition is usually part of the answer. For example, above, across, along, among, around, at, behind, below, beside, over, through, toward, up, down, between, by, inside, in, near, past, under. Next one, prepositions of place. We use this type of preposition to describe where something is located. There are 4 prepositions of place. At describes a specific point in space. In describes an enclosed space. On describes an object's relationship to a surface. By describes an object's proximity to something else. For example, he is at home. The books are on the table. I live in New York. I was standing by him to keep an eye on him. Next one, prepositions of time. Prepositions of time show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. On, at, in, from, to, for, since, before, till or until, by. There is a holiday in December. He has been ill since Monday. Second one, double preposition. The double preposition is formed through the conjunction of 2 simple prepositions. For example, into, upon, onto, out of, from within. For example, once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. The baby climbed onto the table. The loud noise came from within the stadium. Third one, compound preposition. The compound preposition is formed through the conjunction of non-prepositional word and a simple preposition. For example, in addition to, on behalf of, in the middle of. Let's see some examples. I attended the meeting on behalf of my company. We were in the middle of the storm. He has gym class in addition to his regular classes today. Next one, participle preposition. Participle prepositions have endings such as ed and ing. For example, considering, during, concerning, provided. Let's see some examples. He works one job during the day and another at night. The dog kept following him home. All the neighbors were there, including the new one. Fifth one, phrase preposition. A prepositional phrase is a group of words that doesn't contain a verb or a subject. It functions as a unified part of speech. A prepositional phrase normally has a simple preposition and a noun or a pronoun. For example, because of, in case of, instead of, by way of, on account of, in care of, in spite of, on the side of, etc. Let's see some examples. They, along with their children, went to Atlanta. According to the new rules, you are not right. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. I am going out of the city.